Hey, if you wish you could see two screens at once, or if you would like to switch between screens really quickly before you forget information, I'm going to show you a couple ways to do that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is called split screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is drag this first tab down that I'm looking at, and so that now it's in its own window. And now I'm going to click on this split screen, and it'll give me a chance to pick which other screen I want to look at. And I want to look at that one. So now I have my textbook on this side, and I have my notes on this side, and I can see what I'm trying to type. So hopefully that's helpful. Here's another way to do it. If I am looking at this screen, I can click Alt-Tab. I'll make that one full screen too. So Alt-Tab switches between screens, and you can do it over and over again. So that's Alt-Tab on your keyboard. Let me know if this is helpful, and I'll try to give you more hints.